In today's fast-paced transportation industry, safety, efficiency, and accountability are more important than ever. But managing a fleet of vehicles, ensuring driver safety, and optimizing operations can be a daunting challenge. That's where FalcoMatics comes in. At FalcoMatics, we provide cutting-edge solutions to make fleet management easier and more effective. Our video tracking and dashboard cam systems are designed to enhance safety, improve efficiency, and give you complete visibility into your fleet operations. With real-time video tracking, you can monitor your driver's behavior, ensure compliance with safety protocols, and capture crucial footage in case of accidents or disputes. Our systems allow fleet managers to receive instant alerts on risky driving behaviors like harsh braking, speeding, or distracted driving. This means you can take immediate action, ensuring that your fleet stays safe on the road. FalcoMatics integrated GPS tracking offers more than just location data. It provides insights into route efficiency, fuel consumption, and even helps you optimize delivery times, reducing operational costs and improving customer satisfaction. With our advanced dashboard cam technology, your drivers can focus on the road with confidence, knowing that their safety is our top priority. Regular reports generated by our system give you the data you need to make informed decisions, track progress, and continuously improve your fleet's performance. At FalcoMatics, we're not just providing technology, we're delivering peace of mind. Join the hundreds of businesses that trust us to keep their fleets safe, efficient, and compliant. Visit FalcoMatics.com today to learn more and take your fleet management to the next level. FalcoMatics, driving the future of fleet management.